This
If the
is a
lion is the
CountryBoyModz
king of the jungle,
production.
how can he be the king of the jungle? If he's not the biggest, the elephant is probably one of the biggest. He can't be the fastest because that's a cheetah. He can't be the smartest. But he's not the biggest, the fastest, or the smartest. So how does a lion become the king of the jungle? His mentality.
What's going on, everybody? I hope each and every one of you are having a blessed day today. Man, let me tell y'all, this is the end of phase 1 with modifications on my Nissan Altima. Man, it's been a journey this past year and a half. I promise you, it's been a good journey on finding parts, doing this universal parts at that, doing the customizations. It's been a journey. My channel over the year and a half has grown over 1,000 subscribers, and like, I cannot thank you all enough for all who subscribe to my channel, sharing the content and everything that's on my TikTok, Instagram, and even the ones that follow me on Twitter. All my socials are the same. It's just like, man, I truly appreciate it. Without y'all, I wouldn't be here. Y'all kept me going to modify my car, because I would have never thought like the Altima would have got this much attention from modification. Like I said, with me personally, whatever car I get, I have to put my own taste to it, and I felt like sharing my content to others to help inspire people. You know, it doesn't matter what car you have, you can make any car look good just by doing simple modifications. And like, the modifications that I did didn't even cost me over $300. Yes, I caught a lot of stuff on deals, but you gotta shop around. No point in paying overpriced prices for plastic parts. Just gonna be real with y'all on that. But other than that, man, this phase 1 been excellent. I ended it, I think, a couple videos ago. Officially, the last modification that I did was redoing these emblems. So I got the emblems done. Everything looking smooth and sleek now. So we're gonna jump into phase 2, and phase 2 is gonna come out popping, man. I got plans for the exterior and the interior. So it's 2 colors that I'm debating on. The 2 colors gonna be the Brandywine red, or it's gonna be a orange color. I can't think of the name of the orange, but man, those 2 colors, they are popping. Like, the orange will match with the interior. If I do Brandywine red, I get I change up the stitching color inside by using the little markers for that they got on Amazon and stuff. But other than that, man, appreciate y'all for watching. Peace out.